gently flowing river. They watch the golden sunset fade away, and there amid the lilies and the roses, they talk about their future wedding day. The nightingale is singing as he leaves her, but tears are glistening in her eyes of blue. Her softly says, "'Tis not for long the parting. When springtime comes, I will return to you." When the mockingbirds are singing in the wildwood, and the golden moonbeams on the river shine, at your cottage down the lane, I will come to you again. When the mockingbirds are singing, sweetheart, mine.
Allemaal gaan lopen douwen.
Cultibragan Camp, lying close to the Perthshire village of Comrie, was built in 1941. Initially, it was a working camp for Italian POWs. However, its remote location soon made it ideal for a mix of German prisoners, including some Category A prisoners, those that posed the greatest threat. It is one of the best preserved, purpose-built World War II prisoner of war camps still remaining in Britain today. In 2007, the camp was bought by the Comrie Development Trust through the Community Right to Buy scheme, saving this extraordinary and irreplaceable slice of history from an uncertain future. Many of its Nissen hut structures are listed A or B by Historic Scotland, and it is fast becoming an invaluable asset to the area, providing scope for enterprising small businesses, holiday accommodation, and over 30 flourishing allotments and a community orchard. A new heritage centre is planned to be located in the guardhouse. Upkeep is a labour of love by voluntary groups such as Comrie Heritage, and support is always welcome in whatever form. Open days provide a valuable link between past and present, a unique glimpse into a defining era in our nation's history, and a bold vision for building towards a more sustainable future.